All right, here we go. All right, well, maybe you want to look at it first, see what it looks like before I add all the color in. So we can see now how it's just gonna float unless something's holding it down. And this, I just cleaned, is a way that we can accomplish that. And see that one right there? That one's almost under. So there, now they're all underwater. And you can really see the bubble agitation. And obviously, if I just put it in the center, it'll fan out better, but they won't all be under the water then, and you won't get that same agitation. It will in a moment once it fills up, but I just wanted you to see that. Now, obviously, it's a little bit messy. You could be a lot cleaner about it, but it's not that important. The fine sieve is really about people who are wanting to run this through a sprayer so that it doesn't clog their sprayer. For me, it doesn't really matter that much, so I can be, I can be a little sloppy, and it'll all work out fine, and you probably can too. So this is all gonna just keep filling up, and we're gonna have compost tea here pretty quick. So you've got your compost in there, you've got your water in there, you've got your aeration happening. Now, you might be wanting to add a little bit of molasses. Now you don't want to go overboard. You don't want to be doing cups. You want to be doing tablespoons to like 1/3 of a cup kind of range. And then I like to go in waves like this because it evenly distributes it. And I eyeball all measurements in the kitchen too, so bear with me. So that'll help with bacteria. I'll feed the bacteria.